Hello students, welcome to session 2 file menu of MS Word. So before start the file menu, it is quite important to understand how we can operate these menus by using the shortcut key. If you want to see the menus of or if you want to see the shortcut key of all the menus, then press alt key from your system and you will see your computer will display you the shortcut key of all the menus option. Now suppose I want to open a insert menu, so you will press N from the keyboard, and under N if you want to open a particular option, then for example I want to use a table, so let's press T. Its shortcut is T, so let's press T from the keyboard. Now I want to draw a table, so press D. So you can select and you can draw. Okay, like this way we can use the shortcut keys in MS Word. So let's understand first the file menu. In the file menu, let me take a new blank page. So in the file menu, the first option is info option. In the info option means it is just same like a property option which you have in old version of MS Office. It will reflect you all the size, page number, total words, total addition time, title tag, comments, and last modification of the document. All information related to your document will be displayed under the info tag. We will learn about the protect document later on. Okay, so let's have the first look on new. As I already mentioned in the previous session, new option is basically used to take a new file in MS Word. So if you want to take any kind of template, ready-made template, so please simply click on selected template and click on create option. So you will see all by default the template is loaded in the screen, and if you want to edit, you can make it edit also. Like suppose I want to make it change, so it is edited now. So you can change any area in the template format. Okay, so as I already mentioned you in the previous session, the shortcut key of new is Control N. So new document will be open if you press. Another thing is we have another option is called open command. Is basically used to open any kind of saved document which is saved in the which is already saved in your system. For example, I want to open a separate file, already saved file from my computer. So it is now your choice for how you want to open, from where you want to get that file. One option is OneDrive. If your document is saved online, so you can go to OneDrive and you can log in with your system. Okay, and click on sign in option and it will connect you with your OneDrive account and you can download the file in your system and it will open directly in your MS Word. Another option is you have my computer option. By default, normally most of the people are saving their document in your computer only, so you can choose a computer and go to browse option and open any file from here. For example, I want to open let's say I want to open this file Excel barcode. So let me select this file and I will click on open button. So you will see very soon this file will be open in your MS Word. So here is the file. That file is open in your system. Okay, so you can, if you want to open another file, you can press Ctrl O from your computer. So if you press Ctrl O, you will see automatically computer will give you the option to select the location of the file and you can select your already saved file in your current MS Word environment. Now next option we have save option. Save option means if you want to save any file in your MS Word, suppose you are creating a new document and I am writing something here in my documents. Okay, there is some problem, so let's start Word again. So let me take a, suppose I want to write something. And I want to save this text, so shortcut key is Control S for save, or you can go to file and click on save option. Now again in the save option also it will give you the three options. If you want to save file directly into your drive, so you can go to OneDrive and log into your account and save your document. Other option is go to computer and select the location. For example, I want to save the file in the desktop. In the desktop, if you want to give a name, for example I want to give a name hello, so click on save So you will see your file will be saved with the name of hello. So here name will come. So this is a save option. By default, whenever you are saving your MS Word document, it will be saved with the extension of doc.docx. All document will be saved. All new versions are saving the file of document in docx extension, because MS Word is basically a document editor, and by default it is save all the file in docx format. Okay, in old version the save file extension is .doc. Okay, but remember one thing, if you are trying to open old version file into new version, it is possible. But if you are trying to open docx file in the old version like Office XP or Office 97 2003, then it is not possible, because higher extension is never open in the old version format. That's all for this session. We will learn the remaining menus in the next video. Thanks.